Thanks to your support, construction and funding requirement for Phase 1 expansion is 85% complete. The ground floor of the lab section is complete. And 30 new dogs have settled down in their recently constructed enclosures. Dogs have occupied the U-shaped structure on the right side and on the far side of it as well. The left side, where there are 5 large enclosures, will get finished in the next 10 days. In the isolation section, we only had the ground floor, but now we have 16 occupied enclosures on the first floor as well. All the 7,500 square feet concrete flooring is complete. The initial part of the kennels on top is done too, while the rest of the kennels will have to be constructed. Which is what we're looking for the next round of funding and completion of the project. The total capacity on the first floor in the expansion project is close to 200 dogs in Phase 1.